Ho ho ho! It's almost Christmas, and up at the North Pole, everyone is buzzing with excitement. Santa's workshop is filled with the happy sounds of elves hammering and painting, making toys for all the good little boys and girls. But outside, something was brewing. A big, fluffy, white snowstorm was swirling round, getting bigger and bigger. The wind howled, woo, and snowflakes danced like tiny ballerinas in the air. Soon, the snow was so deep, it covered the windows of the workshop. One little elf peeked outside and gasped, "Oh no, Santa, how will you ever deliver the presents now?" Santa Claus, with his big round belly and cherry red nose, just chuckled. "Don't you worry," he said with a wink. "A little snow can't stop Christmas." He called for his trusty reindeer, and out they came, their noses glowing bright. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and all the rest stomped their hooves, ready for an adventure. But when they tried to take off, whoosh! A giant gust of wind pushed the sleigh right back down into a big snowdrift. The elves giggled as Santa disappeared in a puff of white. When he came out, he looked like a big, jolly snowman. Even the penguins who waddled by couldn't help but flap their wings and laugh. Santa knew he needed some extra help. He pulled out a tiny, shiny bell from his pocket and gave it a jingle. Ting-a-ling! Suddenly, all the forest animals appeared. Little bunnies with twitching noses, a big friendly moose with giant antlers, and even the snowmen came to life, their stick arms waving hello. "We need to clear a path," Santa declared. The moose used his big antlers like a snowplow, pushing the snow aside. The bunnies hopped and packed the snow down with their little feet, thump, thump, thump. The snowmen rolled big snowballs out of the way, and the penguins slid on their bellies, making a smooth runway for the sleigh. With a final big push from everyone, Santa's sleigh lifted off the ground. "Ho, ho, ho! Thank you, my friends," he called out. The elves, the animals, and the snowmen all cheered as they watched Santa and his reindeer fly up, up into the snowy sky, a trail of sparkling magic behind them. The snowstorm couldn't stop the joy of Christmas after all. Thanks for watching our little story. If you want more fun adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.